everybody, so we have the 1970 Dodge Challenger here. We're going to install the Holley Sniper 2 and HyperSpark. We already have everything laid out across the table so we can see everything. We're also putting a brand new intake manifold on this car as well. Before I took the intake off, we cleaned all the dirt and grime out of here, but I cranked the engine over to top dead center. The distributor is pointing at number 1. Probably going to paint this valley pan so it's orange and matches the engine. We're probably going to route this wiring underneath the intake manifold, something like that. We have the intake on, the throttle body on. We have the distributor in place. In this HyperSpark, it comes with this clear cap. You'll put the clear cap on there. It lines up with these 2 pins. There's a little high spot right there, and then right here where this little mark is, where I put the blue Sharpie at, that will be where your number 1 spark plug wire goes. Note, it's not where the rotor's facing. It is actually quite off. This is the PDM. You can see there's the little lights and stuff here. Your sniper system will go to one side, your HyperSpark will go to the other side, then there's your inputs and outputs, like say for your fuel pump. And I can show you exactly what we have here. See, here's your troubleshooting lights if there's any problems that you ever had. Right here we have our power and ground, comes straight from this, straight to the fuel pump. No relay required, it's all integrated inside of this. Now, it might be a little bit different if you have a more heavy-duty fuel pump, higher race application or something like that, then maybe you will need a relay. Same thing with the fan. No relay necessary for it unless you have dual fan setup or something that's really drawing a lot, then you will need an extra relay. But this is all you need from your HyperSpark system. You got these 4 wires that go to it, and on your Sniper system, all of the wires that are already in the kit plug right to it. All the wiring is routed inside the car. We have our HyperSpark mounted to the firewall. Found someone had put urethane in a bunch of holes that were on the gas tank, and it looked like a bunch of debris inside. So the customer already had a brand new gas tank just in case, so we went ahead and put it, we were going to go ahead and put it in. We have our Holley sending unit in, but the new gas tank didn't come with the grommet to seal the filler neck. More parts have showed up for the Challenger today. We got brand new Mopar Performance valve covers, got some new valve cover gaskets, and the spark plugs came in, or spark plug wires came in, sorry. On the ground, I have the carpet and stuff pulled up so I can get to the fuel pump connectors. We had to have it on the ground and backed up off of it so I can get the door open, so I can get under the dash, so I can finish up all the wiring that I have to do under there. Update on the Challenger. We just got it back from doing a quick test drive. It drives down the road great.